Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome back to Hijabista. In today's video I am going to share with you guys how to decorate your charger at home to make it pretty and customized according to your taste. So here's the video, let's get started. So first of all, of course, you need your plain charger, whichever charger you have, and we need some yarn and washi tape in the same color. You could use any color. I'm using baby pink here because that's one of my favorites. So this is a white polka dot baby pink washi tape which I am taping around the adapter of the charger. Once you've taped your washi tape, I'm going to use a clear tape to tape in the ends of the washi tape, and now I'm going to repeat the same step to the cords. And now I'm going to start using the yarn to wind it around the cable. So this is actually a really long process and it's really time consuming. So make sure you have something interesting to watch on TV while doing this. Wind it as tight as you can. So I've come at the end of the cable, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of glue gun. Just a dot of glue gun at the end. I'm gonna cut the yarn and stick it to the glue gun. It's secure and it won't fray at the ends. So here is your super cute customized charger. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, Assalamualaikum.